Hello, we are Will Colmar, Owen Benner, and Stone Shin, and this is our project, BlueDrive Services. Our team and our experiences as engineers and entrepreneurs. The CEL program provided at SCH Academy allows students to venture into entrepreneurship and engineering. Our group's experiences as a whole comes from the CEL program and the knowledge about entrepreneurship and engineering provided with the curriculum. BlueDrive Services and the reason for creation. We wanted to work on this project because self-driving cars are becoming more and more popular day by day, but the prices are still too high for many possible consumers. If we could easily implement self-driving systems into pre-existing cars, it would allow more people to have access to self-driving systems without having to sell their cars, which can be wasteful and not always out of best interest. We also offer various other services such as car washes, car inspection, and detailed cleaning. The problem we are trying to solve. Distracted driving causes about 3,000 deaths per year. Distracted driving also causes about 920,000 total accidents per year. Our solution. By installing new self-driving systems, people will be able to afford autonomous driving systems for cheaper and eliminate getting rid of their current vehicle. With more accessibility to self-driving cars, we hope to make the road a safer place. Having a fully or partially autonomous car can decrease the possible amounts of human errors while driving. According to the NHTSA, distracted driving causes about 3,000 deaths per year. Because these problems are related to human error, the autonomous system promises the removal of human error and provides a safer driving experience.
What is self-driving? Self-driving is being able to drive the car without human assistance. Electronics that will be implemented are hardware such as sensors, cameras, radars, and software like artificial intelligence. The sensors and radars report data to the neural network of the car, allowing it to adjust to different situations on the road. This makes driving safer and easier. How does it work? The cameras send data to the brain of the system, which is the artificial intelligence that uses different systems such as image recognition. Along with the image recognition systems, machine learning and a neural network helps the system function and learn. The neural network recognizes patterns and then places them into categories. That is how the boxes outlined in the image show exactly what they are. Our competitors. More and more companies are trying to develop self-driving systems and vehicles to fulfill the increasing market and demand. But unlike most of our competitors, we install automation systems with professionals and it guarantees safety. The automation system that we are using. Comma AI. Comma AI uses the operating system OpenPilot. It enhances the visual perception of the cameras and sensors of the car, and it improves the driver assistance systems in the vehicle originally. George Hotz. He's the founder of Comma AI, and he is an alumni of the Johns Hopkins Center for Talented Youth program. Hotz is known for his iOS and Android security research, creating jailbreaking software on iOS systems. Having a history of being a hacker, his understanding towards software led him to a successful career. He later published an exploit for Samsung Galaxy S5 in 2014. Comma AI delivers cheap and affordable self-driving systems to the general population.
The installation process. First, we will have to remove the cover underneath the rearview mirror. Underneath this cover, you will find the car's camera, which is provided with the car. We will then insert the harness into the camera connector found on a port connecting to the car's camera. Then connect the RJ45 cable to the harness. Run this RJ45 cable along the interior of the car, behind the weather trim, and connect the RJ45 cable to the comma power source. Then connect the comma power to the OBD2 port, which is essentially the brains of the car. Then connect the OBD-C cable to the harness box to connect the AI system to the camera. Then clean the interior of the windshield, and after centering it, fasten the mount to the windshield and let it cure for 2 days. After the mount has cured, insert the OBD-C cable into the Comma AI camera and screen system and connect it to the mount, and you're ready to go. Details. The Comma 3 system comes with a dual 360-degree camera, dashboard mount, and car harness for both the standard version as well as the cross-country version. The difference between standard and cross-country is the storage sizes. with the standard having a 250 gigabyte hard drive and the cross-country having 1 terabyte of storage.
Our costs and profits. The customer can choose between two options, the standard version and the cross-country version. It costs us $2,199 to buy the standard version and $2,699 for the cross-country version. We will charge $10,000 for the standard and $15,000 for the cross-country. We will profit $7,801 from the standard version and $12,301 from the cross-country version. This is our customer persona. He attends college in a major city and is interested in new technology. He has a stable income and wants to improve his style of living. A problem that he regularly encounters is that he needs to travel long distances, which ends up making him very tired. He doesn't want to buy a new car, but wants to keep his pre-existing car and make it self-driving. Our company's growth. We first make contact with our customers. We'll collect information such as the email, and we can inform them of important updates or changes. We'll expand the company as we make a profit and gather more customers, and we will adapt to the current market and new technology at hand. We'll first start local and hopefully expand abroad. Our website. Our website provides our customers with information such as the prices of our products, the location of our shop, and our contact information. The purpose is to help the customers with whatever they need and for them to make contact with us much easier.
The future of our company. As technology advances and with artificial intelligence developing, the consistency and reliability of self-driving cars will increase as well. In addition, the graduation rate in public schools from 2010 to 2018 has increased from 79% to 86%, meaning that the amount of educated young people is constantly increasing. According to Science Direct, more educated individuals tend to follow early technological trends such as self-driving vehicles. This graph shows the amount of funding in self-driving cars increase, meaning that this technology will grow faster and faster. Thank you for listening. This is the link to our Works Cited page.